of Malay and Boracay included there. So, I declare that the 2024 International Dragon Boat Festival is open!
Okay, so what's up sa inyo mga ka-beautiful Boracay, mga ka-vloggers. Nandito tayo ngayon sa Station 1, White Beach. Okay, so kanina may event yung Dragon Boat, which is yung opening na right from Grotto hanggang dun sa Epic Bar. Ngayon, gagawin natin, papakita ko sa inyo yung footage, and after that mag-update tayo, beach update. See you later.
Everyone will set a good example of showing a true sportsmanship. Let everyone do the effort, build up equality and teamwork, unity, camaraderie, and joy while raising.
Anyway, from Pilipinas, Cebu, make some noise! Parang walang kinain. Anyway, Cebu, make some noise! Alright! Siargao, make some noise! Yeah, from Mindanao! Iligan, make some noise! Walang kinain sila. Ito, from Luzon, syempre, our family from Manila, make some noise! Yeah! May nanalo na, bigyan ng jacket yan, Mayor. Syempre, ang taga-Visayas hindi rin magpapatalo. Iloilo, make some noise! Daw sa wala ta kinaon ko, nagdala ka mga chicken inasal. Iloilo, make some noise! Yeah, much better. Okay, from Negros, are we here? Scream! wala ka pamahaw, wala mo sila hatagan sa pamahaw. BDBA, hatagan ng pamahawang Negros. Okay, syempre, of course, my family, my friends, my team, from BDBA, from Boracay All-Stars, and Dragon Force, Bombshell, Boracay, make some noise! Alright, magpapatalo ba kayo? Hindi. Well, anyway, sa mga hindi ko na-call, and I wish you all good luck for tomorrow. I know you guys are ready. You train hard for this. 1 month, 2 months, 3 months. So go for it, and we will pray for the best. And may you good luck to the winners and to the losers. Don't worry, you can party with Mayor at nighttime. Are you ready, Boracay, to party? After the race, everybody is invited by the municipal mayor to party with us at the beach party for free. Love Boracay 2024 Dragon Boat. Thank you so much. Enjoy the game and good luck for tomorrow's race. Thank you so much.
Thank you so very much, Honorable Datu Yap Sumdad. So talagang
And I hope everyone will have fun. I know excited na po tayong lahat. And yun nga, nabanggit ni SB Datu Yap Sumdad that we will have our beach party, the return of the Boracay Beach Party. So enjoyin po natin to. This is our second year of the Love Boracay.
Across the world, including here in the Boracay. So thank you again, Honorable Vice Mayor and Mayor and the organizer. And to all of you, enjoy the races and enjoy the day in Boracay. And thank you so much again. Thank you.
Parang gutom ata. So where's the breakfast? Where's the snack? No snacks at all? Okay lang ba? Dinner na? Wow. Okay, how many? Party na lang. Well, of course, I would like first to acknowledge the Deputy Director of Hong Kong Economic and Trade Office, Director Daniel Chan and his team from Hong Kong. So thank you very much, sir, for bringing your team here in Boracay. And I'm sure next year maybe you're bringing more teams, ha? Okay ba? It's okay? Yeah, okay daw. Palakpakan natin si Director Daniel. Well, of course, for the Philippine Dragon Boat Federation, we have Attorney JP Villanueva here. Palakpakan natin siya, sir. Thank you. And our Miss Marcia Cristobal. 52 groups at all, teams. 17 teams, international teams versus 17 teams from abroad. Where are you guys? The 35 Filipino teams. Hindi ko dito ang Philippine Coast Guard sumali. Saan ang Philippine Coast Guard? The Philippine Navy. Ayun, ang DPNP. Philippine National Police, meron ba? Wala? Next year daw. So I hope next year there will be more teams will join this International Dragon Boat Festival. October, the Air Force dito, the Philippine Air Force. Oh, nasa tubig. Ano ba Air Force sa tubig? Baliktad ata din yung Navy ito sa... Well, okay, thank you very much. Well, palapakan sa Vice Mayor na ninyo kawaling. And of course, our Chairman of the Committee Sundad. Which is belongs to the team also. Sorry na lang, ha? I cannot join. Well, of course, sino ba? Yes, so we have almost 52 teams that will compete for this 2024 International Dragon Boat Festival, no? And my role here is to declare this event. So, I forgot. Where's the tourism officer? The Dr. Felix Andrew Santos. Ang tourism officer and his team, no? His team. Ang tourism officers natin. Napakasipag nito. Palakpakan naman natin. And of course, our MDRMO that protects the safety of all the participants. Palakpakan natin sa Ma'am MDRMO office natin, si Ma'am Catherine Ong Colencio. Palakpakan natin. Ang lahat ng members ng incident management team to make this event zero incidents palagi. Okay? So, ladies and gentlemen, by the power and the virtue of Mr. Nemias as Mayor of Malay and Boracay included there. So, I declare that the 2024 International Dragon Boat Festival is open! Sino ang pinakamaingay? Sino ang pinakamaingay? Yeah! Thank you very much, and good luck to all of you. Thank you, and good afternoon.
You're gonna selfie? Yeah, you're gonna...
Okay, nakita nyo na. And, ayan, tapos na yung sunset. At, we are at front of Estacio 1. Ano nagaganap kasi dito? Mga beach sports. Like volleyball, frisbee. Ayan, nagpa-practice lang frisbee ngayon. Beach tennis. Saka football. Nakita niyo po. Ngayon, mag-update tayo ngayon sa White Beach. After ng event. Ngayon, then bukas na naman another event. Karapin natin. Let's beach walk, mga kapilbaba. Diretso tayo. Ayun. Naka-set up yung mga San Miguel. And the good news is low tide. Rotorac. Ayan yung mga contestants na galing sa opening program ng sir. Pasensya na-off ko because baka maka-copyright claim na naman po tayo. Just continue walking. Yes.
Saan ka? Sa may Havayana.
Okay. Yan na. Hanggang ano lang tayo. Hanggang dyan na tayo sa may apta. And then masisilip tayo na konti dun sa food bazaar sa Labang Wetland Park or Lake Town. Okay, yan na. Ayan, by the way, yan yung mga pagtestas ng Dragon Boat. Ayun po, i-zoom ko lang. Yan. Okay, nandito tayo sa may ano na Station 2. Ayun yung sitwasyon ngayon dito. Uy, nakapagdami ngayon na I think yan yung mga nagpa-practice. So daming contestants na nagbabana na the Dragon Boat. Ayun, nasa 2,000 sila eh. Ayun yung pagkakalam ko. Ayun na Team Boracay, Team Pilipinas. May Team China, Team Canada, Australia, Air Force. Puro nakita ko yung mga San Miguel ah. Shoutout sa President ng Boracay Beach Party organizer, Sir Ramon Gaston. Okay. Last na time check. 6:22. And ito na yung sitwasyon ngayon dito. Okay, so, hanggang dito lang muna tayo. And we will check the update sa Food Bazaar dyan sa may Balawag Wetland Park. We will see you later po. Thank you for watching. See you later. Okay, we're back and up to na kami update sa White Beach. So sabi ko nga, i-check ko yung mga bazaar ngayon. Yung Muslim nag-ano sila dito. And right now, yung sitwasyon nyo ng tao dito sa Balawag Wetland Park. Number 4. Like that. Ayun yung camping trip. Ang matapos ka sa kapit.
Hey.
Nakikita ko mga locals, mga turista.
Think your heart faded for me, it's looking on the top. Are you facing? Still facing? Since I got the call, I'm not gonna get a mess. I've been busy dreaming now, and how did you like this?
Ganito yung sitwasyon niya sa kapila. Ito yung mga pwesto nila dito. Okay. So hanggang dito lang muna tayo. Thank you for watching. See you.